look at what I rednecked up here. I got a rope hooked up to this. Let me show you what it does. First, I have my 1967 Bolin 750. We're actually planning to swap it with a Yanmar diesel, Yanmar 10 horsepower diesel, and put duals on it. It's great. Engine runs a little rough, but you could listen to it. But first, let me show you my little contraption here. So, this is not tied all the way, but it'll work. So see that? Just put some weight in the back. Pull this. When you pull this up, pulls that, and the trailer dumps. And then you bring it back down, it locks, and then you pull it back, locks into place. That's my contraption that I made. Now you're gonna hear it run. This little rough running, and the carburetor is basically crap. So, just planning on swapping the engine. I like diesels anyways. First gear. Third. It revs really high, and when you hit the throttle here, this doesn't do anything. So something with the throttle is broken, and it definitely bogs down a little bit when you drive it, especially up hills. So get over here, watch this, pull this back, drop. Turn it off, and didn't need to use choke today because it's really warm. So anyways, this is the tractor, and see ya.